Question today is chiropractic for everyone? The short answer is yes, everyone can benefit from chiropractic. But if all you're looking for is masking symptoms, then you may be better off just using pharmaceuticals. If the check engine light in your car comes on, are you just going to put a piece of tape over it and ignore it? No. You're going to take it to the mechanic, you're going to have them figure out your problem and fix it for you. When you go to the chiropractor, that's exactly what's happening. The chiropractor is going to look at your body, find the causes of your problems, fix it, and then wait and watch your body heal itself, because that is the magic of chiropractic. Hope that helps.